My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As you can see, I am in traffic right now. You can't really see it because I'm leaning over, but I'm on my way to the spot. Give y'all this early sneaker review. This is sneaker review like number 1 or number 2. It depends on when you saw the videos. I am posting 2 sneaker reviews today. Hope you can hear me. I mean, I'm gonna check this when I get home before I, edit and everything like that. But red light. So green light. So let's get up in here so I can do this review, and I'll get back to you. Let me start my bike up. Okay, we back with another Kobe. You see the logo right there in the middle. See the signature scales on the box. All black box. I really wish they would give us like a special box or something like that. But let's read it. Kobe, what is that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kobe 8 Protro. Color is college navy white, size 10. I'm usually a 9 in Kobe's. Like, this is an early review, so I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek, a little early look of this Kobe. I don't even know the release date. I'll get it when I get home. I'm guessing the suggested retail price is probably like $160, $180, maybe $190. I'll give you all the information when I get home. But let's get to it. Oh, these are nice. Standard regular paper, nothing special about that. I do not know the actual title name for these, so I forgot what he was called, but we just gonna call them the Kobe 8 Midnight Navy. Boom. Okay, so and look, I like these. I know this is a plain shoe, and a lot of people might not think it's that much, and I'm only hype about it because it's a Kobe, and I like Kobe's. But no, this navy blue is nice. They said college navy, something like that. But I like the Nike swoosh with that grayish white right there. Got the Kobe logo right there on the tongue, of course, like always. Signature in white on the back. See them hints of white going around the back. White outer sole. Another Kobe logo right there. I mean, it's a plain shoe. It's a plain navy Kobe shoe, but this is a dope shoe. I just like the color, man. Not Dodger blue. Not nowhere near Dodger blue, because Dodger blue is like a light blue like that. But this navy is just nice, bro. Matching laces. I don't think it came with no extra laces. I don't remember nothing being in the box. But y'all definitely gotta let me know what y'all think about this Kobe. Is this a cop? Is it a drop? I know it's kind of plain, but I mean, sometimes less is more. Like, this might be a thumbnail right here. I like that thumbnail. That might be the thumbnail right there. Get the Kobe logo. Boom. But hold on. Oh, let me do it again. That's a dope little thumbnail. Y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop. I know this wasn't a detailed, long review, but it's nothing really I can really talk about. It's a navy shoe. I mean, it's just, it is what it is. One color, well, 2 color. But I know a lot of people gonna be going crazy because this is LA and it is Kobe. So, I mean, definitely a cop for me. I can say right now, I'm definitely gonna get this. I like this. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. So let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some proper information, like suggested retail price and release date and all that, actual name and everything. So I'll be back. All right, we back. Got some information for y'all like I always do after I do the little review. Hope y'all enjoyed that sneak peek, that quick little early sneaker review of the Kobe 8 Protro College Navy. That's the name of it, College Navy. All right, so I got some information on Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be right next to me. It should be up right now if you want to read along with me. It reads, part of the Nike
Kobe 8 Team Edition series, the College Navy colorway joins the University Red and Wolf Gray editions for fall 2024. This Protro iteration pays homage to Kobe Bryant's legacy with its sleek design and performance enhancements, embracing the spirits of competitionness. These sneakers are poised to elevate players' performance on the court. Just get to the point where, why are we doing College Navy? The Kobe 8 Protro showcase College Navy engineered mesh upper, complemented by striking white accents on the swoosh logos and Kobe branding, commanding attention effortlessly, further enhancing its appeal. College Navy extends to the tongue, laces, inner liner, and react cushion midsole, creating a cohesive and shameless this fusion of premium materials and design. This is like, they didn't even say why we doing midnight navy, so we just doing random colors. Like, okay, so it's set to drop. It says fall 2024 for $190, so fall could be anytime. They don't need. It just says fall, so no set release date. There goes some more pictures. Why is this person in the pictures wearing white socks with yellow? That's insane. That is insane. Like, that is with yellow, like, little brim up top. You know what? I'm surprised that they didn't give us a reason why the College Navy. Like, why that color? Like, why is that colorway? That's weird. Hold on. Let me see. This kicks on fire. I can't see if they say anything. No, it's the same thing. That's weird. That's weird. Anyway, I like Kobe's, so I'm probably gonna get this. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all gonna cop or drop the Nike Kobe 8 Protro, what is that? College Navy? Yeah, if it's a cop or drop for y'all. I'm not on the fence. I'm more leaning towards getting it, but we'll never know. My mind might change. I don't know. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks, the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.